Okay, Rachel, what's going on today?
Well, today we've been sitting up on the deck.
I'll show that to the viewers right here at these star chairs.
And let me tell you, we've been surprising people with unordinary bird calls. I am the bird Erpy.
And I'm the Paka.
Paka.
I forgot what that was called.
And would you like to hear us?
Let's hear the Erpy. Erpy? This is how it's done.
The Erpy calls in groups of 3 Erpies. 1, 2, 3.
And then hopefully you'll see some people down here and and they'll look up funny. Now we'll hear the Paka.
To warm up my voice.
And that's about it. That's the end.